Hello everyone, welcome. Thank you for watching this video. Today I have another video I want to show you because I wanted to buy some Lanaways, and I had found some ring VX Lanaway. So I looked everywhere on Google, on YouTube. I couldn't find no video. I couldn't find no people commenting about it. I wanted to know how the sound like and stuff like that. I couldn't find anyone. It was a couple friends who heard them or who owned them, but didn't really know much about them. So I wanted to take video to show you guys how they really sound like. I will be playing some jazz music from Pandora, and I have a small mixer I want to test it with. It is I think it's a small Mackie mixer. So I hope you guys enjoy it, and maybe you guys can make your judgment. So I'm not gonna push it too much, but just take a listen to it. By the way, I'm using two of them, okay? I have six, I'm using only two. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed. And finally, if you wanted to have an idea how to sound like, I would say it don't sound too bad. So I will really test them when I get to do my live sound. So I like it. Size wise, it's really nice. So they are dual 8 in high. They sound really nice, and for 8-inch, that's really punchy. Hopefully, when I get to do the live sound, I'll post another video and show you guys how it sounds like live. So thank you again for watching. Don't forget, to subscribe to the channel, share it and like. Invite a friend to subscribe too. So just like that, you encourage me to post more videos. Thank you for watching. And before I even finish it, I want to say a big thank you to my wife, Janan. who helped me to get those speakers. If without her, it wouldn't be possible. Thank you guys. It was G Sound Production. Thank you again. Have a good night.